Yeah, thanks for coming for the mask machine.
Okay.
Welcome for the repeat order.
You're welcome, sure.
Yeah.
Well, as you know, one of the reasons we're looking for our mask machines over here is to avoid the challenges we had earlier of trying to ship Chinese masks, made masks out of China, which has been a big challenge. And to ensure better quality, or at least quality control on the American side, we want to buy the actual mask-making machines
Yep.
so we can have them produced in the U.S. and to avoid the export challenges we had over the past couple
Yeah.
months.
Indeed.
Yeah, so I'm hoping that these machines will allow us to do that.
Yeah, and with the mask machine, you can control the cost and also the material to make sure
Absolutely.
the quality to be good enough.
Correct. Yes, and that's we want to have it more under our own supervision. It makes it much easier to do that.
Yeah, great. Noted.
Okay.
Okay.